Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. 135mm reverse film for brochure for hotels along the beach. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And I'm gonna make something interesting, something impressive image from these two. Let's get started. Okay, what can I do for this? Nice, just simple graphic image. Well, I'm gonna check changing blend mode first. Now let's see. This is pencil drawing type image, normal to darken. Multiply. Well, overlay. This is very nice. Kind of like the image. Maybe about tone down just 60, 70. Luminosity. This has some color, real shadow, blue and green, light green. That's interesting. Well, I'm gonna make this image fixed first, and let's see. Select multiple, select both and two of them, and then duplicate layers. Now merge down, merge selected. Now I'm gonna duplicate layer, then one up the top, change blend mode to multiply is fine. I think multiply, then merge down. Let's see one more, duplicate layer, then much darker. Let's see, multiply color. Now we see well, real shadow, nice. I may need a smudging to get out of these grains, linear burn. Multiply, not much difference. Okay, go for multiply, then okay, merge down. Now pretty interesting image we got. Well, let me change names. Okay, now we got three different three images to create something interesting. Alright, this is pretty interesting, shadow colors, that's kind of nice. I'm gonna add some colors on this. Well, before that, I'm gonna get out of these grains out with let's see, smudge tool, basic to soft round. How's it look? Okay, that's about it. Not much, smudge. Okay, now what's next? Okay, this is the base image. Okay, I'm gonna move this image down all the way bottom. Then, it's the luminosity. I'm gonna bring this one back to normal. This is pencil drawing type image. Then just turn it off to keep it now. I wanna see this original image. Change blend mode to look at this pin light, such a saturated nice colors. I like this pin light, but about this dark dot, I don't like this, which come from this luminosity effect layer, right? I just want to see this luminosity effect layer. If I smudge this, how it's gonna turn out? Let me try. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate layer. Then let's see, turn it off, this base. Then I'm gonna smudge on this all the way dry media to pastel square. This smudge tool, pretty interesting. because this pencil drawing type image, smudging, soften up the dark lines, only the black lines, soften up. That's pretty good. We still see the ocean blues. Okay. Alright, almost done for smudging. Overall, the image. That's pretty interesting. Look at this. Okay. Let's see this. Okay, I'm gonna change names before I forget. Now I have, this is pin light effect. Original. This is nice. Just the way it is. Let's see. We can finish it up much. I just want to see that some texture or detail of the towel here. Let me see if it's here too. Some. Yeah, some of them still have. Not yet smudged. Alright, now it's complete. Yeah, real shadow colors only. That's kind of interesting, really nice. Okay, let's see. No grains, no dark dot. Okay, now let me see, turn it on this pin light effect. Original image, turn it on. Look at this, pretty nice image, nice colors, some little bit. I'm gonna clean up with this original image. Touch, oops, convert. Some grains because of the 35mm reversal. Or maybe scanned, come from scanning the little dust. Well, but that's it though. Well, hey, that's it for today. But nice colors. I just want to add some frame or, oh, I got it. Okay, I'm gonna expand canvas and make it white border. Okay, how can I change the canvas? This one. Change width 4300. How's this? Yep. Done. Alright, now I'm gonna add on top, filling with white pixel layer. Then let's see, create empty mask. Now reveal with, well, let me see, wet brush one. Now I want to add watercolor image. I should add layer for watercolor and watercolor, well, wash soft. Okay, well, I guess that's it. That was pretty interesting. Well, this is base image. Yeah, this original image blend mode is pin light effect. This is it. Opacity 100. Bigger canvas size. White border and turn it on this much. Then I add watercolor image like so. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. And let's be creative, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.